we're back. Let's move on with another example. Andrew visits the gym every 6 days, while Marcus visits the same gym every 9 days. If they are in the gym today, after how many days will they be visiting the gym at the same time again? What is asked? The number of days until they will visit the gym at the same time. What are the given? 6 days and 9 days. What is the strategy to be used? We're going to use continuous division. Let's solve. Step 1, arrange the numbers horizontally. 6 and 9. Step 2, think of a prime number that can divide both numbers. 3 is a prime number that can divide both 6 and 9. Step 3, write the quotient below the dividends. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Step 4, continue the process until none of the numbers have a common divisor. 2 and 3 are relatively prime numbers, which means they cannot be divided by same number other than 1. Step 5, multiply the common prime divisors and the last set of quotients. We have LCM, or least common multiple, is equal to 3 times 2 times 3, and that is equal to 18, and the answer is 18 days. Remember, least common multiple is the smallest multiple common to 2 or more numbers. Note that in GCF, only the prime divisor will be multiplied. Here in LCM, you have to multiply the prime divisors and the last set of quotients. Let's have another example. 40, 30, and 15. Let's find the LCM. Step 1, arrange the numbers horizontally. 45, 30, and 15. Step 2, think of a prime number that can divide both numbers. 3 is a prime number that can divide 45, 30, and 15. Step 3, write the quotient below the dividends. 45 divided by 3 is 15. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Step 4, continue the process until none of the numbers have a common divisor. Another prime number that can divide the numbers is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1, 2, and 3 are relatively prime numbers. Let's now move on with the last step. Multiply the common prime divisors and the last set of quotients. So we have LCM is equal to 3 times 5 times 3 times 2 times 1, and that is equal to 90. And that's our last example for this lesson. Let's sum up the lesson. How we will find the GCF through continuous division. Step 1, arrange the numbers horizontally. Step 2, think of a prime number that can divide both numbers. Step 3, write the quotient below the dividends. Step 4, continue the process until none of the numbers have a common divisor. And step 5, multiply the common prime divisors. And how do we find LCM, or least common multiple, through continuous division? Step 1, arrange the numbers horizontally. Step 2, think of a prime number that can divide both numbers. Step 3, write the quotient below the dividends. Step 4, continue the process until none of the numbers have a common divisor. And step 5, multiply the common prime divisors and the last set of quotients. Now it's your turn. Get ready with your paper and pen. Find the GCF and LCM of the numbers below. Number 1, 30, 15, and 16. Number 2, 12 and 20. Number 3, 25 and 10. Let's check. For number 1, 30, 15, and 16, the GCF is 15 and the LCM is 16. For number 2, 12 and 20, the GCF is 4 and the LCM is 16. For number 3, 25 and 10. The GCF is 5 and the LCM is 50. Very good. And that ends our lesson. Again, this is Diane Cabiltes of JP Milencio Memorial Elementary School. Thank you and keep safe, everyone.